In asking, it is the sole of the foot will hit the target. Just simply swing your leg up, and then the power or the force will be applied in going down or upon reaching your target. Okay, one and down, two. Okay, start. Jump. Alright. Okay, open leg. Jump. Left foot backward, fighting stance. Jump. Ha. Okay, 2 counts only. Just simply swing your leg, and then the force or the power will be applied in going down. Okay, let's begin. 2 counts, 5 times. Ready? 1 and 2. Ready? 1 and 2. Ready? 3. 1 and 2. 4. 1 and 2. Then 5. 1 and 2. Okay, this time power with shout for 5 counts. Ready? 1. Ha! 2. Ha! 3. Ha! 4. Ha! And 5. Ha! Okay. That's it. Okay. Open leg. Should be. Ha! This time, reverse. Okay. Right leg. Axe kick. Okay. Reverse fighting stance. Right leg backward. Should be. Ha! Okay. Slow mo. 2 counts. Okay. 5 repetitions. 1. 1 and 2. 2. 1 and 2. 3. 1 and 2. 4. 1 and 2. 5. 1 and 2. Okay, this time power with shout. Ha! Ha! 2. Ha!